Hello everyone, welcome back to my turning channel. My name is Phil, and this week I'm going to try and make another one of these, which is just a piece of birch with a lot of epoxy inside it out of this piece of wood. I made this one and filmed it and lost all the footage due to a magnetic erasure of a hard drive, which was bummer. Anyway, so I'm going to refilm it and redo it, and we're going to do it with this piece. So here we go. So we'll start with my usual piece of tape, and as you've all been seeing, a healthy dose of this. And this can is just about empty. Okay. Some hot melt glue in the middle here. These new glue sticks do not go down very well. And then another piece in the middle here. And we'll drop that in. Okay. I'll just get a bag here. Yeah, so I had about 7 videos of tape, not edited, but ready to be edited, that I lost. I had a hard drive, an external hard drive sitting on top of my computer that and then decided for some reason that I needed to bring the subwoofer up and put it up on top of the bench, and yeah, it erased the whole thing. 3 terabytes of video gone in an instant. So it's not just a myth, folks. Okay, so today we are going to pour the epoxy for that bowl. So I'm going to do about 1 3/4, I guess, 60 ounces. So we're using deep cast epoxy, of course. Okay, 20 ounces of B. Neon blue, ghost blue, and Caribbean blue. Maybe even a couple drops of black there as well. And maybe 1 drop of black. Okay, awesome. Okay, mix it up. Don't forget the sides and bottom. All right, let's go to the vacuum chamber. Okay, 60 ounces of various blues and 1 drop of black. Perfect, look at that, that's awesome. Pretty important step there is to, oops, maybe not that far down. Just make sure you cut this there. Okay, here we go. Bubble time. So I'm going to let that bubble right up. It's just easier and quicker, and then I'll cycle it a couple times. All right, I will be back at the end. Okay, that's full vacuum, so for 15 minutes now. So we'll take that off and put it in the pressure pot and come check on it in a day or 2 or 3. Okay, there we go. Let's get this out of the bucket here. Hopefully cold release has been working well, so I'm sure this will be not a big deal. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. Alright, that's our birch bowl. We'll take that to the lathe and see what we can do with that. Pick you up at the lathe.